All right, so being able to start with a point and apply a slope leads us naturally to a new form of a linear equation. So before we had the standard form of a linear equation, now we're going to look at the slope-intercept form. And let me correct a typo while I see it. Okay, so the slope-intercept form of an equation of a line is this: y equals mx plus b, where m is the slope and b is the y-intercept. So let's look at an example where we apply the slope-intercept form. So here we've got this first equation right here. And so we have y equals -4/7 x minus 2. And for this to be in slope-intercept form, it needs to be y equals mx plus b. So we can see here that our slope is 4/7, and our y-intercept is -2. So the slope is -4/7, and our y-intercept is -2. So now graph the line using slope-intercept form. So we know that the y-intercept is at -2. So we're going to come here to -2 on the y-axis, and we're going to put a point. Now we have a slope of -4/7. So first of all, because this is a negative slope, it's going to go down and to the right. That's what we would expect. And this negative, we could either write this as -4 over +7 or +4 over -7. Either way is fine. That still gives us a negative slope. So for the purposes of this example, let's write the slope as +4 over -7. And slope is rise over run. So we're going to have a rise of +4 and a run of -7. So from this point, we're going to have a rise of +4. So 1, 2, 3, 4. And then a run of -7, which means we're going to go to the left. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. And that's our next point. All right, now we could, do another rise of 4 and then another run of 7. That's going to take us off the graph. Okay, we don't want to plot something that we're going to be uncertain about. So let's write this the other way. -4 over +7. So now let's plot a negative rise and a positive run. All right. So from our y-intercept, we'll have a negative rise. So that means we're going to go down 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. And then a positive run of 7. Positive run to 7. It's right there. Now we can just connect the dots. And that is the graph of our line using the slope-intercept form. The better you get at this slope-intercept form, the more you're going to love it. It really makes graphing lines so much easier. Okay.